Now, for the next part, let's do this. All right, let's go to our directions. And it's asking us to create a pivot table on a new spreadsheet. The report filter should be the date sold. The row fields should be the destination. The column field should be the salesperson. And the value should be tickets sold. Now, it's important to remember that a value such as tickets sold should always be a number. Here's how we do this particular step. Going back to our spreadsheet. First thing you should do is to realize how big your spreadsheet is. So your spreadsheet basically begins on cell A1. And if you use the down arrow key, you go down to the end of the table, you will see that your spreadsheet, that block, ends at D36. So the size of your table, you're going to work on A1 to D36. That's the block that you're working with. Remember those coordinates. You go to Insert. Okay. Try to put your cursor on A1. You go to Insert. You go to Pivot Table. First thing it's going to ask you is, what do you want to create a pivot table out of? That's where you type in A1 colon D36. That's the size of your table. Now you click OK. And now it might be numbered. It might call it pivot table 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. Now remember those 4 descriptions that you saw, okay? The report filter should be the date. Okay, so you take date and you drag it down to where it says filters. Next, the row fields should be the destination. Going here, you take destination and you drag it down to where it says rows. The next thing, the column field should be the salesperson. So take salesperson and drag it to column, leaving only tickets sold, and that is your values. So this is basically how a pivot table works.